Welcome to Lindos in beautiful Rhodes. We're in Lindos town for a walk around tonight, and it's absolutely boiling but beautiful. Check this view out. How nice is that? Absolutely stunning, isn't it? Really, really nice. And here also is like the little squares where you get a taxi, unless you're brave enough to walk up that hill there, but we're not. So the taxis are all really, really sweet here. The Mercedes taxis, all the taxi drivers are really nice. And they even have a little thing here which tells you the prices, which is quite handy. So you can get €67 all the way up to Rhodes town. Yeah, let's go and have a look around, shall we? Well, this is the third video in this series I'm doing over in Rhodes, in Greece. And yeah, you've probably seen quite a few other videos of people wandering around Lindos like I am, but hopefully this one gives you a little different spin on things and a little bit of commentary as well, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. This is Dionysus as well. Very nice. Stephanie's. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? It's okay. Well, welcome to Stephanie's lovely Rooftop Taverna, and we just ordered our food and got some nice cold beers, as you can see. The Greek flag over there, and behind me you can see the Acropolis. How cool is that? Wonderful location. As you can see, the food has arrived, and I've forgot to start filming, but this is still a lamb chop. It's absolutely delicious, really, really good. Kim got something I can't pronounce. What is it, Kim? Stuffed aubergine. Okay. We've got this lovely, lovely wine as well. Really, really nice wine. Yeah, enough filming. Gonna eat. Well, there's a bit of a strange occurrence here. There's four gentlemen. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try and zoom in a little bit. And they kind of sat on the roof. There's four of them on the chairs. And they came out of the window just to the left below them. They're just sitting there. No drink, no food. Just sitting there. Not doing anything. A bit odd, a bit random. But, yeah. As long as they're happy, I suppose. None of my business. The food was absolutely delicious, and this was the first of many delicious meals we were going to have in Lindos and surrounding areas. Stars are nice. Lovely, lovely colours. Gorgeous.
Em bảo em uống nước cam, có mỗi thế thôi hỏi nhiều quá.
No. Captain's house. I didn't realise that's what it is. Isn't it?
Oh, it's daily.
There you go. Looks nice in here. Probably coming here after the Acropolis eventually.
Đây đường ấy đi về, còn đây đường này chưa đi.
Đường này chưa đi. Đi.
Weglassen, hätten den Sachen als Spiegel.
Εγώ δεν είμαι αυτός που το αποφάσισα. Είναι αυτό εδώ το πράγμα, ας πούμε.
And on top as well, a lot of it.
Thanks.
Hey, Gab, I'll take the camera.
And now we find ourselves in Yannis Bar, but I'll have to talk over this because it's playing music and it's copyrighted, so that's our little view. Don't know if you can see, folks, but there's some... This is basically a vineyard in Lindos. A lot of grapes up there. How cool is that? Nice. And our cocktails have arrived. I've got a Mai Tai. There it is, and it looks lovely. I'll give it a little taste, shall I? Yes, I'll give it a little taste. Things I've got to do for my YouTube career. That's a good Mai Tai. And Kimbo has a strawberry daiquiri. Oh dear. It's a bit disappointing, we think, but it tastes good. But we were hoping it's like an iced strawberry daiquiri, lots of ice in there, like a long drink, but no, but it's very elegant. Anyway, Kim will have a little taste and she's going to tell you what it's like when she's tasted it. Probably not though, this is very camera shy. All right, when you're in Lindos, you need to come to this place called Socrates, and this is the place here. This is the place you need to come for a bit of rock and roll music. Not every night, not tonight, but some nights, and this man here will tell you how good it is. When's a good time to see some live music?
Tuesday.
Ah, okay, Tuesday. There we go.
And Thursday.
And Thursday as well. Alrighty. That's
Get
my
ready.
YouTube. That's my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice. Nice.
All right, so you'll be on there.
Of course, yeah.
Rock and roll. Here we go, guys. Bit of rock and roll. At this point, I've got to turn the music down a little bit and talk over it because you get done for copyright. So sorry about the audio changing and messing about a bit. I will have to remove the music. Obviously, I've had to reduce the music for this because it's copyrighted. This is really cool. This is the world famous taxi rank at Lindos with guys with whistles and stuff. It's a long queue, but it goes down pretty fast. We were in this last night and it went pretty fast. And that place over there is called Mavrikos, and it's supposed to be very good. So we might get in there at some point.